In this video, we're going to take a look at Pixpa and Shopify to see which one is better. So Pixpa is perfect for creatives wanting a simple site with galleries and selling tools. Shopify is the best choice for serious e-commerce businesses needing full flexibility. Now, the pros and cons. So we're going to start with the pros. We have Pixpa built-in client galleries, beautiful templates. Then we have Shopify robust features, app ecosystem, and scalability. The cons: Pixpa limited for large-scale commerce, and Shopify higher cost and can be complex. So overall, choose Pixpa for portfolios with selling and Shopify for full-scale online stores. So basically, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.